In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp login not available right now error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then enable airplane mode for about 30 seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing you want to do is disable VPN or proxy service if you're using it, as these may block login attempts when it detects unusual locations. Next up, clear cache for the WhatsApp. Go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, find WhatsApp and launch it. Click on offload app, confirm it, click on reinstall app. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the WhatsApp. Click on app info, go to storage, click on clear cache and confirm it. Next, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it, since outdated versions can often trigger login issues. You can also try restarting your phone to refresh system connection. Next, check the server status of WhatsApp. Launch your preferred browser, type in WhatsApp server status. Now navigate to the website Town Detector. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And that's it. Following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.